This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice. Good morning, traders and investors. It is Monday, the 10th of September, and we've seen the markets rallying over the last two sessions, with the FTSE index, as we can see on screen here, closing 17 points up on Friday, or 0.3%, 5,794. The German DAX also gained. It was up 0.6%. Up 0.6%, that's 47 points, closing at 7,214 and pushing into some new long-term highs there. French CAC 40 was up 9 points or 0.2%, not gaining as much. As we can see here, there was a bit of a sell-off on Friday afternoon, and that resulted in the index closing at 3,519. So whilst it's pushing into new short-term highs, it's actually with a bit of weakness from that buying activity. Taking a look into the US markets, Dow Jones was up slightly, gaining 14 points or 0.1%, closing at 13,306. The Nasdaq index was up 0.6%, so barely unchanged there, following a strong day on Thursday, closing at 3,136, whilst the S&P 500 was up 5 points, closing 0.4% up at 1,437. This upwards momentum in the markets has seen the VIX index falling quite heavily, trading down at long-term lows. The VIX closed at $9.41, down 56.5 cents, or 5.6%. We can see that that movement down through here as the volatility gets sucked out of the markets in general. A little closer to home, we can see that the ASX 200 was up 15 points, closing at 4,327. It too had a sell-off towards the afternoon, and that's resulted in a mild gain with a large shadow on top, which is a sign of exhaustion from the buyers. But the SPY futures are up 18 points ahead of the opening bell on Monday, and that should have an influence to see the ASX 200 again trying to push up towards the highs that it had formed on Friday. That's our summary from Monday the 10th of September. We look forward to giving you an update again tomorrow.